Bernard Okoth Maebo, Achich Jahigni, the ancient of days and the creator of the entire Milky Way galaxy. We are going to have 3 meetings. The first meeting is Migori meeting, which is going to preach Exodus to inhabitants of the holy city, so that they are built a new city other than this one, which is going to be inhabited by animals. The second meeting is going to be Mbadi meeting. Mba means might. And that meeting is going to swear in the new president of Kenya, the Gen Z president, and me too. And it is also going to swear in me as God, and is going to be presided over by the International Criminal Court of Law. The last meeting is going to be the International Community meeting, and that is also going to swear me in, led by the International Criminal Court of Law. That is now the international community recognizing me as God. During that meeting, all the constitutions will be given leeway, as the book of Daniel says 2:44. God will be the kingdom of heaven. The God of heaven will set up a kingdom, and it will not destroy the states, but create devolution in those states, district attorneys. And in that meeting, the international community meeting, we're going to wipe out all the constitutions and usher in one single government and one single currency. Then the last swearing in, that will be the third one, will now be involving Adam in the stars, Ongo in the moon, and Were in the sun, the galactic swearing in. And that will be the end of swearing in of God, and then we move up with this earth to the next space. Bernard Okoth Maebo, Achich Jahigni, the ancient of days and creator of Milky Way galaxy. I have not spoken the way I would have spoken, because the witches are still taking the eye, the very eye led by Raila, pouring mist in it so that it cannot communicate eloquently.